In this video we're gonna check what is the maximum camera zoom available on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So we're gonna go to the photo mode, and with 12 megapixels, if we try to zoom in all the way, we have the 10x zoom. So this is the maximum amount of zoom that we have in the photo mode using 12 megapixels. We're gonna also switch to 50, but in this case we cannot zoom in or zoom out, so we have just 1x zoom. We're gonna also go to the front camera, and here we also cannot zoom in or zoom out. We can simply switch between different lenses, so just a little bit of zoom. And in the video mode, let's also check the video mode. First we're gonna check the 4K resolution, and over here the maximum zoom is also 10x. If we switch to full HD, we also have 10x, and in the case of 60 frames per second it is also 10x. And I'm gonna also check the Pro mode, Pro camera, and in this case there is also 10x, so the maximum zoom that we have is times 10. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!